पावर प्ले को किसी ने डिफाइन किया है तो इन दोनों ने किया है। एक तो हमारा हेडेक, हेडेक और उसमें भी हेडेक, और हमारे अभिषेक शर्मा जो इस एक से बन के आज 1 साल बाद इज द हाईएस्ट T20 स्कोर फॉर इंडिया के लिए जो है बंदा, वो अभिषेक शर्मा। अभिषेक शर्मा इज द पर्सन हु स्कोर द हाईएस्ट स्कोर फॉर T20 क्रिकेट फॉर इंडिया। मतलब 3 सेंचुरी मार लिया, 3 या 4 सेंचुरी बंदे ने मार लिया है। बट आप देखो, ट्रेविस हेड नंबर 1, अभिषेक शर्मा, ईशान किशन, नितेश रेड्डी और क्लासन, 5, ये टॉप 5 है जो सबके सब 200 के स्ट्राइक रेट में खेल सकते हैं। अब आप देखो दिल्ली कैपिटल्स ने क्या किया। ये लोग कैप लेके आए केएल राहुल को, बड़े खुशी खुशी, आओ आओ दामाजी आओ हमारे कैप्टन बनो करके। और केएल राहुल ने बोला, जा बेटा, बाबा जी का ठुल्लू, तुमको कुछ नहीं मिलेगा। तो गुजरात का क्या है कि गुजरात तब तक सही था जब तक हार्दिक कैप्टन था। इन्होंने शुभमन को कैप्टन बनाया, टीम वही है, लेकिन थोड़ा सा वो तमिल में एक वर्ड है सोदा करके, मतलब वो क्या होता है कि वो थोड़ा सोडा ही फ्लैट हो जाए तो कैसा होता है, वैसा है ये। एमआई का एक ही प्रॉब्लम था, स्क्वाड लास्ट टाइम भी बढ़िया था, सुपर था, सब कुछ सही था। एक चीज जो हो गया, उन्होंने कैप्टन बदला हार्दिक में एंड एवरीथिंग चेंज। क्राउड ने बू किया, थिंग्स वर नॉट इन प्लेस। लेकिन अब सब सुलट गया है, सबने जीत लिया है। सूर्य स्काई बन गया T20 कैप्टन, बुमराह ऑलमोस्ट टेस्ट कैप्टन बन गया, रोहित ओडीआई कैप्टन है, हार्दिक आईपीएल कैप्टन है। सब मिल गए, क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी की तरह सारे बहुएं मिल गए, और नाउ दे आर फाइनली, दे लुक टू बी ब्लास्टिंग एवरीबॉडी। ओके, तो ईट स्लीप ड्रिंक क्रिकेट में स्वागत है। अब ये वीडियो कब लॉन्च होगा पता नहीं, बट ये पार्ट 2 है। पार्ट 1 भी जाके पहले सुन लें, उसके बाद पार्ट 2 पे आए। पार्ट 1 में हमने आईपीएल के थोड़ा हिस्ट्री को जाना है, व्हाट हैज हैपेंड बिफोर एंड सो हिस्ट्री के हिसाब से मैं एक खासकर मैं आपको एक, आई जस्ट वांट टू शो यू समथिंग, ताकि आपको एक, यू गेट टू नो व्हाट हैपेंड इन 2024, व्हिच आई वाज शोइंग इट टू अमित ऑल्सो। तो आप देखें यहाँ पे ना, सो आईपीएल हाउ क्लोज द टूर्नामेंट इज, आप देखें। केकेआर क्लियर फेवरेट, टॉप पे है आपका 2024 में। एमआई बॉटम पे है, चला गया, खत्म हो गया। बट बाकी सबका देखिए आप, वो एसआरएच एनआरआर ठीक है थोड़ा ऊपर है, बट 14 में 4 टीम्स आर सिटिंग देयर। एंड देन एक जीटी था जिसका दो दो मैचेस वॉश आउट हो गया, जिसकी वजह से वो, दे डिड नॉट इवन हैव अ चांस टू गेट टू दैट 14। आई डोंट थिंक दे वुड हैव क्वालिफाइड, बट आई एम जस्ट सेइंग कि ये इतना क्लोज था, वहां पे मामला काफी क्लोज था। सो आईपीएल इज ट्रूली अ वेरी कॉम्पिटिटिव टूर्नामेंट, दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग। कि कौन कब फायर करेगा हमें नहीं पता, सो विल सी। So I now want to pick up. So one of the things is we are going group wise. तो ग्रुप ए में हमने सीएसके, आरसीबी और पंजाब को देखा। Now the next team which we are going to start is KKR, the winner of last year. So KKR ने बहुत ही, मतलब they've done something. So I'll tell you what is the perspective of KKR. KKR thought कि Shreyas Iyer is not the gung ho guy. To me, what it looks like, they the entire winning का जो सहरा है ना, वो क्राउन जो है, उन्होंने जीजी को दे दिया, गौतम गंभीर को दे दिया, कि उसने ही सब कुछ जिताया। एंड ऑल द प्लेयर्स रैलीड अराउंड, एंड आई थिंक इट टुक सम ग्रेट डिसीजन लाइक गेटिंग सुनील नारायण अप द ऑर्डर। मिचेल स्टार्क पे इतना पैसा लगाया, एंड देन वो कुछ भी नहीं किया, लेकिन लास्ट के 3 मैचेस इंक्लूडिंग द क्वालिफायर एंड द फाइनल, he just did what Stark does. And then Andre Russell, VC, became a big gun baller because of that. In fact, they did not even need the services of somebody like Rinku Singh to do something great for KKR. So they, but in all these things, they had one guy who played an exceptional batting innings, and that is Venkatesh Iyer. इसमें क्या हो गया, श्रेयस अय्यर प्लेड वेल, बट किसी ने उसको उतना, they did not give him the credit what he deserved, and that's why he left. And they did not retain him because there's a lot of money which would have gone to Shreyas Iyer, probably something like 18 crores. which they couldn't have afforded, and they wanted this squad to be there. But what has happened is suddenly Shreyas Iyer's stakes went up in Champions Trophy, and also what he did in Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy or some of the other Ranji Trophy tournament in Bombay. For Bombay he became the captain and became the star. So चीजें बदल जाता है. आप आईपीएल ऑक्शन में नवंबर दिसंबर में बैठते हो, जैन फेब में कुछ और ही हो जाता है, मतलब. तो थिंग्स चेंज. एंड एनीवेज, सो दिस इज द स्क्वाड फॉर यू. Except Shreyas Iyer, things are same. They have also gone with loyalty. They got the squad. They wanted to make Venkatesh Iyer the captain, but probably they felt that because Venkatesh Iyer was bought for 24 crores, 23.75, 24 crores, they did not want him to have all the pressure on himself. So they got Rahane in. They declared him as the captain. And I think Venkatesh Iyer is the VC, and you would soon see Venkatesh Iyer becoming the captain for KKR. Maybe next year, maybe uske baad, I don't know. But good squad, KKR, can they repeat? Only one team has repeated it. Two teams, एक CSK और एक MI. Can KKR do it again? भास्कर आपसे स्टार्ट करता हूँ. स्क्वाड तो देख लीजिए, मतलब तगड़ा स्क्वाड है.
It's a good squad. I'm not too excited this time because Gautam Gambhir भी नहीं है उनके पास, Shreyas Iyer भी नहीं है. And if you remember, it was Gautam Gambhir who, when he was the captain, that's when Sunil Narayan started opening, not when he was the coach, if you remember, isn't it?
No, so
It
I'll
was
tell
like,
you, he did not open in
uh,
22 and 23. His batting pecking order went down, but this guy
uh,
said go and do it. In last year, he did that. So
yeah,
GG is
but
a is a visionary in a way. In a way,
no, but when
he's
Gambhir
always a
was a
vision.
captain in
Yeah,
2014
yeah.
and
Of course,
2016,
of course,
that's
of
when he
course.
was opening and that's when he flourished. So I probably unka, they have also have Quinton de Kock, and but let's see how they do. They don't have. I'm not too excited with the KKR team this time around, but they can still qualify. I'm sure they can qualify. They have a good team. They have a lot of experience like Sunil Narayan, Andre Russell, Moeen Ali. Isn't it three world-class experienced international cricketers? Probably all of them are past their peak. बस वो एक ही हो सकता है. But and Rinku Singh, if he has a great IPL, I think probably Gurbaz is going to be the keeper all the matches. I don't know whether Quinton de Kock is going to keep or he's going to play or like how it's going to be. Manish Pandey, I think again a player who's past his peak. So they can make it to the top four, but I'm not too sure whether they can repeat what they did last year. Rajiv.
Yeah. अमित, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? स्क्वाड तो गन स्क्वाड है, कोई टेंशन ही नहीं है. दे रिटेन्ड एवरीबॉडी. आई मीन पूरा मैनेजमेंट सब वही से ही है. जीजी चला गया बट कोई टेंशन प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, क्योंकि चंद्रकांत पंडित इज स्टिल अवेलेबल एज अ कोच. आई थिंक दैट्स फाइन. एंड ऑल्सो टीम वही है, कोर वही है. जो एंड्रे रसल, ये सब, सुनील नारायण, ये जो केकेआर के बड़े, उनका जो खून में केकेआर है, तो वो है. तो आप किस तरीके से देखते हैं?
मैं आई थिंक केकेआर को एक स्ट्रांग टीम लेके चल रहा हूँ. मेरा ये मानना है कि केकेआर में अभी भी वो फायर पावर है, क्योंकि एक तो जो स्ट्रैटेजी आपको बनाने के लिए होता है, अजिंक्य रहाणे से स्ट्रैटेजिस्ट बड़ा मेरे हिसाब से और कोई भी नहीं है. इज अ ब्रिलियंट ब्रिलियंट कैप्टन एंड आई हैव सीन हिम वेरी क्लोजली. He's played with Maharashtra for a long time. I have a special affection for KKR because Venkatesh is from my school. He's my junior. So, and he's a brilliant player and he's a match winner. So it's not just about that. I mean, they have a very balanced squad if you look at it. And I mean, whatever said and done, I mean, the West Indian prophecy is still around. I mean, with Andre Russell on his day, he doesn't need anyone. He can take the game alone, both with his batting as well as his bowling. So मुझे लगता है कि केकेआर की साइड काफी बैलेंस्ड है. In there, they have an X factor in both Sunil Narayan and Varun Chakravarti. I
Yeah.
think you have two really good bowlers in that. And like you rightly said, Narayan will open again. I still see him opening again because he gives that impetus to the team. And yes, he may probably get out in a couple of matches, but वो आपको दो तीन मैचेस जिता के भी जाएगा. And that is what KKR is looking for because श्रेयस अय्यर की पोजीशन फिलअप करने के लिए थोड़ी मुश्किल जरूर होगी because he is in a brilliant form and he would have it's a big loss. I will not deny that KKR has made a big mistake, but obviously money plays a big role and that is why they had to let them go. But I like the squad because the impact players are there. Quinton de Kock is still a very, very handful of a player. Gurbaz is with them. He can be tried if there is a, like you rightly said in the RCB squad, that if the top squad doesn't work, they don't have anybody in the second one. That is not the problem with KKR. In KKR, you do have replacement players who are sitting and can come in and make that difference. So that's my submission, and I definitely see them in the top four, Rajiv.
100% even I see them in the top four. बहुत ही तगड़ा स्क्वाड है, इनफैक्ट बेस्ट स्क्वाड मैं कहूंगा. फॉर समबडी पीपल हु डू नॉट नो, अजिंक्य रहांगड़े ने सैयद मुश्ताक अली ट्रॉफी में 60 का एवरेज और 165 का स्ट्राइक रेट पे खेला है. बंदा अलग ही जोन में है. वो आईपीएल में जब he's learned all these tricks from MS and is coming back. So I think it's well done. They deserve to be in the top four. Unless something, मतलब अब जैसे एंड्रे रसल या सुनील नारायण का फॉर्म ही पूरा गिर जाए तो फिर अलग बात हो जाता है. बट अदरवाइज आई थिंक दे आर डूइंग गुड. वेंकटेश अय्यर 2-3 साल से अच्छा ही खेल रहा है, तो there's no reason why 1 down 2 down आके he is the one. आप रिमेम्बर करोगे कि फाइनल में आके उसने he did not want to waste time and all. He just went and smashed SRH out of the park. So
बिल्कुल.
टॉप 4 पे मैं इनको पक्का देखता हूँ. उसके बाद तो फिर देन इट्स एनीबॉडीज गेम. सो देन वील सी देयर. एंड नाउ लुक एट हर्षित राणा ना, वो उसका स्टेक्स कहाँ से कहाँ हो गया है. सो राइट, सो विल सी हाउ इट गोज.
Career Igniter, your gateway to success. From expert resume building and premium interview coaching to leadership development, we help you stand out and land your dream job. Unlock your potential with personalized career guidance. Proud sponsors of the Eat, Sleep, Drink Cricket podcast.
Now the next team I'm going to pull up is the last in this Group A thing, and it's a squad so it's Rajasthan Royals whom I have pulled. Now राजस्थान रॉयल्स का क्या सीन है कि वो हमेशा स्टार्ट बैंग से करते हैं and then towards the end they taper off somehow, which happened last year also. एक की मैच हार गए थे लास्ट में किसी से, आई थिंक केकेआर या किसी के साथ, तो जीत सकते, जीती हुई मैच हार गए थे एंड दे कुडंट गो टू द टॉप 2, क्योंकि टॉप 2 में आना एक बहुत बड़ा इंसेंटिव होता है. सो they lost out there, and then obviously we know what happened, but they have a very good squad again. Now they got something different. What has happened is their coach now is Rahul Dravid. Rahul Dravid is the coach for Rajasthan. And they again also have a very, very good balance of players and all. But I'll tell you what is the worrying aspect. They controlled the middle overs through Yuvi Chahal and Ravi Ashwin for the last 2 years. अब उनका रिप्लेसमेंट किसको लेके आए हैं? तीक्ष्णा और वनिंदु हसरंगा को. एक जमाने में चहल को आरसीबी ने जाने देके हसरंगा को लेके आए. हसरंगा ने कुछ भी नहीं किया, चहल करता गया राजस्थान के लिए. उल्टा हो गया अभी. सो देयर प्रॉब्लम इज मिडिल ओवर्स. उनके पास मिडिल ओवर बैटिंग है लेकिन बॉलिंग से काफी फीके हैं. दे हैव बीन क्वालिफाइंग फॉर द लास्ट 3 years. एक टाइम तो दे वेंट टू फाइनल आल्सो. दे प्लेड अगेंस्ट जीटी. सो व्हाट इज योर टेक सर? अमित, आपसे स्टार्ट करेंगे राजस्थान के ऊपर.
So I'm not sure whether Riyan Parag is still playing for them, but
Yeah,
I think
he's there.
yeah, so he's one of the good guys. I like him. You know, he's that kind of a player, and of course, Yashasvi is a prolific scorer. So batting wise, I don't see too much of trouble. Sanju typically इस format पे खेलता है. वो भले इंडिया के लिए off and on will be an impact player for Rajasthan Royals. But like you rightly said, I definitely see a challenge with their all-rounders. I don't see impactful all-rounders there. That is the first problem that I see there. So that is going to be a problem for them. And bowling looks very average to me. I mean, when you pick up, I mean, Jofra Archer is being sorted out by Indians and most of the cricketing world now. He's sorted out. I mean, people have understood the lengths he bowls. People have understood the areas that he's going to bowl in. So he's not the same impactful player that he used to be once upon a time, where he was a serious threat. And one bowler I definitely see who might do well for them is Farooqi. I think they have taken this guy from Afghanistan, if I'm not wrong, and he's one guy who I believe can be a good player for them. I don't see Wanindu Hasaranga making an impact in which ways, like you rightly said. I like Maheshwara. He's a good player. But overall, I don't really see Rajasthan creating that buzz or wow. They will be good in a couple of matches. They will play some outstanding innings here and there. But when it comes to the top 4, I don't see them there at this point in time. Rajiv.
right? Bhaskar.
See, Rajasthan Royals always, they don't really spend a lot. They make sure that they keep their economics. That's the first priority. Even if they don't win, they need to make sure they are profitable. Like not whereas the Mumbai Indians, the other way around, they want to win at all costs. They don't mind spending. They don't really look at the profits. So I think that's where the Rajasthan Royals are. They always pick a team which is like right from the days of the great Shane Warne. They've picked a team. They've picked the 13-year-old Vaibhav Suryavanshi. I'm not too sure that he's going to get a game or not, but I think they have a good team. They can probably play a few good games, we win here and there, and scrape through to the top four. But for that, I don't see them going all the way. Rajiv.
Yeah, even I don't see them. Vaibhav Suryavanshi, for the optics, they may give him a game or two. Generally, he doesn't. I don't. They just got him batting. Now the thing is, I feel somebody like Yashasvi Jaiswal, because his stakes in Indian team is increasing. So होता क्या है कि वो हो सकता है 500-600 रन का स्कोर आपको एक सीजन दे दें इस बार भी, बट इम्पैक्ट ही नहीं दिखेगा क्योंकि बॉलर्स विल फेल देम. सो पता नहीं, let's see how it goes, but yeah, it's a tough call for them. Now, so we have completed Group A, so I am now going to Group B. So Group B में हम पहला जो स्क्वाड उठा रहे हैं, let me pick up the squads, and I'm going to start with SRH, the home for me and Amit. हमारे लिए है, मतलब पावर प्ले को किसी ने डिफाइन किया है तो इन दोनों ने किया है. एक तो हमारा हेडेक और उसमें भी हेडेक, और हमारे अभिषेक शर्मा जो इस एक से बन के आज 1 साल बाद इज द हाईएस्ट T20I स्कोर फॉर इंडिया के लिए जो है बंदा, अभिषेक शर्मा इज द पर्सन हु स्कोर्ड द हाईएस्ट स्कोर फॉर T20 क्रिकेट फॉर इंडिया. मतलब 3 सेंचुरी मार लिया, 3 या 4 सेंचुरी बंदे ने मार लिया है. अलग ही हो गया. मतलब ये SRH टीम का बैटिंग तो पावर प्ले में क्लोज कर देगा लग रहा है. ये क्या कहते हैं भास्कर, आप क्या कहेंगे?
The SRH is a great team, and I'm surely looking at them being the fourth team. The other three, I will tell you who my picks are. They have players who are like very experienced. Uh, Travis Head, Ishan Kishan, all of them have a lot of international experience. Abhishek Sharma is a player to look out for. They have Kamindu Mendes, who's a really upcoming player in the Sri Lankan ecosystem, and we have the new kid in the block from Nitish Kumar Reddy. So I think, and of course, you have one of the greatest captains in the history of cricket, Pat Cummins. So I think we can look at SRH being serious contenders for the title this time again. Rajiv.
अमित, आप क्या कहेंगे SRH के बारे में?
Yeah, this is my team for sure. I mean, I had said this earlier also that the four teams, of course, I'll name all my top four, but this is one of them without any doubt. Very balanced team. I mean, what else can you ask for when you have Travis Head and Henrik Larsson playing together, and with that lethal Abhishek Sharma coming and destroying, and now you have Nitish Kumar Reddy, who's a very, very impactful all-rounder. And like Bhaskar rightly said, I love Kamindu Mendes. I think he's what he does to the game is important. And then you have Pat Cummins giving that strategic, feel to the team, the lookout, the know-how. He knows how to handle pressure situations. He's done it, seen it all. World Cup winner. And, you always have these utility players like Jaydev Unadkat, who IPL after IPL, they continue to perform. Shami, I don't know how much he will be able to contribute, but I guess he's, again, the bowler for big matches, as we all call it. So it's a very balanced side to me. And in fact, I would even put them as one of the top contenders to win the IPL, if you ask me. They're very, very strong. And if they fire even 70% on the cylinders, I think they are going to be hell of a team to be beat. Rajiv.
Yeah, so the only problem I feel with this squad is they have a bowling का issue है. They have very good. Shami तो मतलब अच्छा bowler है, मतलब there's no doubt about it. In this IPL scheme of things, he works out very well and he knows his role. वो GT जाके उसने उस role को निभाया है. So Hardik was very, very dependent on Shami to get them through. And when he was not there, they did not win. So I think Shami is really a big deal. मुझे नहीं पता कि इनफैक्ट आप सब कमिंडो मेंडिस की बात कर रहे हैं, कमिंडो मेंडिस को खेलने को मिलेगा कि नहीं मुझे नहीं पता। बट आप देखो, ट्रेविस हेड नंबर 1, अभिषेक शर्मा, ईशान किशन, नितेश रेड्डी और क्लासन, 5 ये टॉप 5 है जो सबके सब 200 के स्ट्राइक रेट में खेल सकते
I forgot Ishan Kishan. Thank you for
हैं। या
reminding me. I think
मतलब
we
ये आप,
can't omit him. He's a
हाँ,
brilliant guy.
तो मतलब बॉलिंग अगर वीक पड़ भी गया तो बैटिंग कहीं ना कहीं इनको बचाया लेगा ही लेगा लग रहा है। सो इट्स अ गुड स्क्वाड। दे हैव राहुल चहर हुज अ गुड डिसेंट स्पिनर। सो है इनके पास भी सब कुछ है। थोड़ा सा बॉलिंग वीक लगता है। हाँ, कुछ कह रहे थे भास्कर, आप बोलिए। बहुत हंस भी रहते हैं
I
आप किसी
don't
बात।
think I don't think bowling is very weak. Why I was talking about Mohammad Shami. I still believe he's the second best fast bowler in the history of Indian cricket after Bumrah. So I think having Shami and Pat Cummins, I think it's a lethal combination. They
या
also have Jaydev Unadkar and Harshal Patel. They
हर्षल
all
पटेल
very
है।
very experienced.
हर्षल पटेल भी है, हाँ।
And then they have probably Adam Zampa, who's the number one spinner for Australia. So
या
I
आई थिंक
don't
एडम
think
जम्पा विल प्ले। एडम जम्पा विल प्ले बिकॉज
I don't think by any stretch of imagination the bowling can be called weak. In fact, they have a very strong bowling lineup. I would just contradict you on that totally.
नहीं, आई एम सेइंग, आई एग्री विथ यू, आई एम जस्ट सेइंग कि अगर कुछ थोड़ा सा अगर कुछ देखना है, वीकनेस देखना है तो वो बॉलिंग में ही है।
नहीं नहीं
लेकिन
शमी
जब
पे इसलिए हंस रहा
मैं जब
नहीं
टॉप
नहीं
फाइव मैं जब ये टॉप 5, वो अभिजीत के ऊपर आप हंस रहे हो ना। अभिजीत को
नहीं
शमी
शमी
पसंद
पे
नहीं है।
इसलिए इसलिए हंस रहा था कि शमी इज वन ऑफ माई ऑल टाइम फेवरेट प्लेयर्स बिकॉज ऑफ हिज टेस्ट रिकॉर्ड. Once a player has a great test record, he's got easily the second best test record after Jasprit Bumrah. That's what I'm saying. Even in the World Cup, the Champions Trophy semi-finals, he bowled brilliantly.
या
So I think they have a wonderful bowling lineup.
या you're right, मुझे
So
तो ये टॉप टू में ही दिखते हैं। तो प्ले ऑफ तो छोड़ो, मुझे तो
Mhm.
टॉप 2 पे ही दिखते हैं।
Mhm.
चलिए, लेट्स गो टू द अदर स्क्वाड। ये तो मतलब, एंड पैट कमिंस एज यू सेड ना, इज अ सुपर कैप्टन यार, मतलब
Mhm.
बहुत ही शानदार कैप्टन है वो। चलिए, नेक्स्ट स्क्वाड लेते हैं हम लोग, और हम लेके आते हैं डीसी, दिल्ली कैपिटल्स। अब आप देखो दिल्ली कैपिटल्स ने क्या किया। ये लोग कैप लेके आए केएल राहुल को, बड़े खुशी खुशी, आओ आओ दामाद जी आओ हमारे कैप्टन बनो करके। और केएल राहुल ने बोला, जा बेटा, बाबा जी का ठुल्लू, तुमको कुछ नहीं मिलेगा। एंड देन दे वेंट एंड दे डिड सम ड्रामा एंड गॉट अक्षर पटेल एज अ कैप्टन। ठीक है, which is fine. Like Rajat Patidar, Akshar Patel is an Indian guy. His stakes are very high. सब ठीक है, कोई टेंशन नहीं है, बन बन गया है। बट डीसी का स्क्वाड ही चेंज नहीं हुआ भाई। मैं एक और ड्रामा बताता हूँ डीसी का क्या है। डीसी का कैसा है, एंड आई डोंट नो, अमित भास्कर आपको पता है कि नहीं। उनका जीएमआर और जिंदल, वो दूसरा फेलो है ना, वो जिंदल पाइप से जो भी है, वो 2-2 साल के लिए वो चलाते हैं। सो दे ओनर्स, बट दे हैव अ 2 year कॉन्ट्रैक्ट। मतलब 2 साल ये चलाएगा, 2 साल वो चलाएगा। सो ये थोड़ा सा मतलब, एंड दैट्स
So
हाउ।
it's like the Maharashtra CM agreement kind of a thing, huh?
हाँ, एंड
Once
दैट्स
upon a time.
एंड नाउ आई नो व्हाई ऋषभ पंत लेफ्ट, बिकॉज देयर इज, जो भी है मतलब है। सो दिस इज द टीम, डीसी का टीम है। केएल राहुल कॉन्फिडेंस में है, कुलदीप है, अक्षर है, बंदे हैं, लेकिन स्क्वाड में ऐसा लगता है कि कुछ कमी है मतलब। सो नाउ दे हैव मिचेल स्टार्क आल्सो। आई कैन गेट अ बेटर पिक्चर बाय द वे। आप लोग स्टार्ट कीजिए बात करना। भास्कर, मैं आपके पास जाता हूँ। डीसी को लेके आप क्या बोलेंगे? आई विल ट्राई एंड गेट अ बेटर पिक्चर ऑफ डीसी।
See, DC, the thing is, Akshar Patel, as a captain, he's an unknown entity.
या
Okay, so we don't know how good he's going to be. The vice captain is again Faf du Plessis, who's not known to be a great captain. Even when he was captaining South Africa, I never thought he was a very great captain. So I think Karun Nair, KL Rahul, they're all good players, but are they going to be like that impactful, changing, like pura IPL changing players? The answer is no. So I don't think Delhi Capitals will even make it to the. Forget about top four. I think they would be one of the lower ranked teams. Rajiv.
अमित, आप क्या कहेंगे?
या मेरे ख्याल से इट्स अ क्लासिक केस ऑफ वेरी बैट्समैन ओरिएंटेड टीम। मेरे हिसाब से बहुत ज्यादा फोकस बैटिंग पे है, एंड दे आर रिलाइंग ऑन Stark and others to actually get them over the line from a bowling standpoint. That's how I would define DC. I mean, you look at the batting, I think it's very strong. I mean, you have the likes of Karun Nair, Rahul, McGurk is there. I think if I'm not, he's a brilliant, kind of a starter for them. He's very good. Stubbs is, kind of a good batsman to me. So overall, from a batting standpoint, they are very good. Akshar Patel himself can contribute. I somehow feel that one of the X factors that they have is Samir Rizvi. He's due for a performance now. I think we've been hearing about him for a while now. And I think this probably might be one of his IPLs. He'll probably do well. But like Bhaskar said, they are again a part of the group which they also ran kind of the category that Usain Bolt won and the rest of them ran. It was something like that. So they will also just be, somewhere in the bottom six, seven, that kind of a fight that they will probably get into. But I don't see them cutting through with this kind of a squad. It's not a balanced squad to me, if you really ask me. And unlike the SRH that we just saw, or Kolkata Knight Riders we just saw, there we see a big difference as far as the balance of the squad is concerned. Rajiv.
Yeah. Also, so they have the bowlers like they have Mitchell Stark, Natarajan, Mohit Sharma, Mukesh Kumar, but they leak runs. As इनमें से ऐसा कोई नहीं है जो Natarajan probably death
Mohit
ball in
Sharma, Mohit Sharma is over the line now. I mean, let's face it. I mean, come on.
yeah.
Mohit Sharma का हो गया है अभी. And
So
Kuldeep
individually,
Yadav is a good one. Yeah,
yeah,
go on.
but that's what I'm saying कि individually है कुछ लोगों के लिए stakes है जैसे करुण नायर हो गया. He's coming after a Ranji season and he has some point to prove. But मुश्किल है टॉप 4 तो मुझे नहीं दिख रहा है लोग देखते हुए. Anyways, we'll go to the other squad now. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, just one more thing. Harry Brook has been withdrawn, so he's not a part of the team anymore. You know
Yeah,
it, right?
and yeah, I know, and I think that's the one which Amit pointed out last time. वो PSL से जो लेके IPL में जो आए हैं वो यही है हैरी ब्रूक का ही है. And Harry Brook, I think, Harry Brook is in the pecking order to become a captain for England white ball cricket. Next year World Cup is in India, and you withdraw yourself. पता नहीं इन लोगों का इंग्लैंड इंग्लैंड लोगों का दिमाग कहाँ रहता है मतलब सोचते क्या है गॉड ओनली नोस. But anyways, it's none of our business. So the next team I'm going to pick up is the most toxic team or the toxic owner, Mr. Goenka ka team, Lucknow Super Giants. Like always, they have a very balanced squad. Squad balanced है. हमेशा की तरह जीजी ने बहुत अच्छा सेटअप करके दिया है. लेकिन क्या है कि नया है, काफी नए लोग हैं, काफी नए लोग हैं. एंड इनके पास now the entire thing sits on Rishabh Pant. Now Rishabh Pant white ball में अब पैकिंग ऑर्डर में बहुत पीछे चले गए. T20 वर्ल्ड कप हुआ, he did not do anything, so वहां पे T20 क्रिकेट में तो दिख ही नहीं रहे हैं और ODI में पिक भी नहीं हुए हैं. एंड KL Rahul is now obviously far ahead now. So everything is about Rishabh Pant. और उन्होंने पूरा पैसा भी दिया. गोयनका spoke very highly about Pant. Pant has to deliver. Pant delivered in it, मतलब little bits and pieces in 2024. They got to 14 points, but they did not any time threaten that they will qualify to the top 4. Take it up from here. मतलब भास्कर आप क्या कहेंगे? Squad बढ़िया है.
Yeah, squad अच्छा है. I think fifth, sixth level का team है. They have David Miller, who's still at the peak of his past, I would say, as a batsman. And they have Aiden Markram, who's one of the better players from South Africa. They have Mitchell Marsh, again, so-called at the peak of his cricketing ability. So I think they have a good team. They can win a few games on the trot. They have Ravi Bishnoi, who's probably India's number one leg spinner in T20 internationals, right?
Yeah.
So I think they have a reasonably good team. But again, there are a lot of holes, I think. So they don't have a complete, like, कोई all-rounder, इतना world-class all-rounder नहीं है उनके पास. They except for Mitchell Marsh, they call Aiden Markram an all-rounder. Shahbaz
Marsh
Ahmed,
bowling नहीं कर रहा
all
तो
middling.
Marsh bowling नहीं करने वाला.
all middling, all middling players. Rajvardhan Hangargekar, I don't know how good a player he is. Yuvraj Chaudhary, I'm not really, I don't know much about these players. So Akashdeep is there, but again, he's more of a red ball player. Shamar Joseph is again a good, reasonably good red ball player, but I don't know how good they're going to be in this kind of a situation. But for Ravi Bishnoi, there's no real big player from the Indian white ball T20 international team. So I think that's where they're going to be having a problem. Rajiv.
अमित मैं आपके पास आने से पहले एक और चीज बता दूं. सो वन ऑफ द गन प्लेयर्स दे हैड लखनऊ एंड दे गॉट लाइक भास्कर मेंशन उनका 3-4 ट्रॉट में वो जीत रहे थे. उसका रीजन था मयंक यादव. जो 150 155 पे डालता है। वो फर्स्ट हाफ
हम्म।
के लिए है ही नहीं, वो इंजर्ड है वो बंदा। बट वो वापस आएगा तो मतलब लखनऊ के लिए कुछ कर सकता है, क्योंकि वो अपने दम पे 2-3 मैचेस तो मैंने देखा है जिताते हुए। मतलब वो ही इज सम टैलेंट, देयर इज नो डाउट अबाउट इट। बॉलिंग में इनके पास वही है, मतलब आवेश खान, मोहसिन खान इज अ वेरी गुड बॉलर। अच्छा लेफ्ट आर्म बॉलर है, 150 145 तक डाल देता है
हम्म।
वो। अच्छा बॉलर है। आयुष बदोनी इज समबडी हु स्टेक्स हैव गॉन अप। उसने लोकली रणजी वंजी में अच्छा किया है, सैयद मुश्ताक अली में भी अच्छा किया है। टीम है, बट सम एक्स फैक्टर इज मिसिंग, मुझे ऐसा लगता है। आप आपका क्या कहना होगा?
हाँ नहीं, आई एग्री द टीम है, but it's not a team that will trouble others too much because, like you said, there are bits and pieces player here. Bowling is going to leak runs for sure. I mean, I do see somebody like Ravi Bishnoi holding the fort from one end if possible, but you don't have other Avesh Khan or Mayank Yadav, of course, not being there. They are, they will not be able to. Shahbaz Ahmed is also there. He's also going to be probably making the team
हाँ, पर वो
in
दो
some of the
ओवर
matches.
टू
But I
ओवर
don't see
बॉलर है।
them really making that impact when it comes to bowling. Exactly, वही मैं कह रहा हूँ। तो इसलिए बैटिंग में I see them scoring runs and then probably still losing out the matches because the opposition is getting those runs easily. So I see that kind of a situation with Delhi. If I have to describe if I have to describe Lucknow in one small thing, that they will get runs, but they will still won't be able to hold on. So for me, it is one of those teams which will be a little outside the top four zone or in the sixes and sevens. I don't see them making the top four, Rajiv.
राइट। आपके पास कोई ब्लड प्रेशर का अच्छा मेडिसिन है तो गोयनका साहब को बता सकते हैं, क्योंकि आपने जो बोला है वो सुन के तो वो जैसे केएल राहुल को पिछले बार भरे स्टेडियम में धोया था, वापस धो सकते हैं। उनका क्या भरोसा।
मुझे
भास्कर
मुझे
आप,
हाँ, वो वो कुछ भी कर ले, पर यही रियलिटी है और ये उनको फेस करनी पड़ेगी।
भास्कर आप कुछ कह रहे
One
थे?
player, one player I'm really going to be like supporting in Lucknow Super Kings के लिए is Abdul Samad,
हाँ।
because I think he's coming from Kashmir. I'm going to Kashmir for the next couple of weeks,
हम्म।
so got a lot of friends there, and he's a great prospect. Trust me. Uh, Umran Malik is injured, and for I think Abdul Samad is one player who
चेतन
really wins you
सकारिया
those
आ रहा
big
है।
games. He's got a
चेतन,
lot of talent. So I think that's he's one player. Yeah, he's going to be one. Yeah.
right, right, right. Now let us come to the baby team, which is the GT Gujarat Giants. गुजरात का क्या है कि गुजरात तब तक सही था जब तक हार्दिक कैप्टन था। इन्होंने शुभमन को कैप्टन बनाया, टीम वही है, लेकिन थोड़ा सा वो तमिल में एक वर्ड है सोदा करके, मतलब वो क्या होता है कि वो थोड़ा सोडा ही फ्लैट हो जाए तो कैसा होता है, वैसा है ये थिंग। ना
Mhm.
टीम है इनके पास,
Mhm.
शुभमन गिल है, राशिद खान है। टीम तो बढ़िया बना रखा है इन्होंने भी। जॉस बटलर को लेके आए हैं, सिराज को लेके आए हैं। सिराज इज नॉट एज गुड एज शमी, बट इज अ डिसेंट पावर प्ले बॉलर। सो डेथ में प्रॉब्लम है, बट इज स्टिल अ गुड बॉलर, ऐसा नहीं है कि बुरा है। एलएसजी का ही हालत है, इनका भी स्क्वाड है, लेकिन इनके पास वो फाइनल पावर, वो वो पंच नहीं है। तो अमित आपसे स्टार्ट करूंगा, आप क्या कहेंगे?
देखिए, मेरा ये कहना है कि अ, देखिए, गुजरात, हार्दिक पांड्या, आई थिंक इज अ बिग लॉस टू देम। आई थिंक हिज प्रेजेंस मेड अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंस। आई लाइक द टीम। द रीजन आई लाइक द टीम इज बिकॉज जॉर्ज बटलर, गिल, ग्लेन फिलिप्स, ये सब अच्छे फॉर्म में है। जॉर्ज बटलर always raises his game when it comes to T20 and IPL. He's one of the impact players without any doubt. And then I have one of my favorite players playing here, who is Sai Sudarshan. I just love the guy. He's one of the really upcoming guys. He kind of always delivers. He's consistent, and with him you have Washington Sundar. So that way the depth is there. When I look at it, I don't know if Gerard Coetzee is going to be injured or he will be available along with the other bowlers. I'm not sure on that. But Rabada, Siraj, and Prasidh Krishna, I think these are good players to have in your. I don't know what Ishan Sharma is doing in the squad. I really don't know whether he's going to get a chance there. But I also believe that compared to, if I look at the previous team that we looked at, which was Mr. Goenka's team, I would say that this is a much better balanced team. And if at all I have to give a chance to one of the teams that would surprise some of the other teams, then that's going to be Gujarat Titans, because on their day, they do have the batting as well as they have the bowling. So this is one team that I would probably put, just rank outsiders, the top four, but definitely they're kind of giving a challenge to some of the other teams. Rajiv.
Yeah. Bhaskar, you have 1 minute, then we have to go to the last and the best team. आप क्या कहेंगे?
Yeah, see, probably they have the best fielder in the world by some distance, Glenn Phillips, and they're probably the best T20 international bowler in the world, it's Rashid Khan. So I think they have a good team, but unka batting, I do feel there are a lot of chinks in their armor as far as the batting goes, as far as T20s go. So I think that's where they're going to be having a problem. So I just see them as like rank outsiders, as Amit said, maybe 5, 6. I don't see them going all the way. Rajiv.
Yeah, I think मुझे भी यही लगता है कि वो जहाँ they have everything, but there is some X factor you need, and that X factor is missing. Even somebody like Rashid, who has that X factor, is not the same bowler today. वो एक है. चलिए आ गए, हमारे पास 3-4 मिनट ही हैं, जो बाप ऑफ ऑल स्क्वाड्स. तो हम सीएसके के साथ स्टार्ट किए, हम एमआई पे आ गए हैं. एमआई का एक ही प्रॉब्लम था, स्क्वाड लास्ट टाइम भी बढ़िया था, सुपर था, सब कुछ सही था. एक चीज जो हो गया, उन्होंने कैप्टन बदला हार्दिक में, एंड एवरीथिंग चेंज. क्राउड ने बू किया, थिंग्स वर नॉट इन प्लेस. लेकिन अब सब सुलट गया है, सबने जीत लिया है. सूर्य स्काई बन गया T20 कैप्टन, बुमराह ऑलमोस्ट टेस्ट कैप्टन बन गया, रोहित ओडीआई कैप्टन है, हार्दिक आईपीएल कैप्टन है. सब मिल गए, क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी की तरह सारे बहुए मिल गए, और नाउ दे आर फाइनली दे लुक टू बी ब्लास्टिंग एवरीबॉडी. क्या कहना है? मुझे तो लगता है ये एक गन स्क्वाड है.
मेरे लिए आई थिंक सबसे बैलेंस साइड दिखाई दे रही है मुंबई इंडियंस, बिकॉज आई मीन आप कॉम्बिनेशन देखिए, आपके पास बॉलिंग में आपके पास ट्रेंट बोल्ट और बुमराह. आई मीन वो क्या चाहिए आपको? आई मीन दीज टू, हम कह के इनको अगर 4-4 ओवर भी ले रहे हैं, तो वो दोनों ये कैपेबिलिटी रखते हैं कि 8 ओवर में पूरी टीम खत्म कर सकते हैं सामने वाले. And then you look at the all-rounders. I mean, Hardik Pandya as an all-rounder and not as a captain in the team is an absolute boon. I mean, without any doubt, he is going to be one of the biggest impact players that Mumbai Indians will play with. You have the player that I'm kind of banking on to do an impact is Corbin Bosch. Now he's a guy who's coming in. He's a very, very strong hitter of the ball. And then when you go on top, Rohit Sharma, Surya Kumar, Tilak Verma. I think for me, Tilak Verma is a big player in between there. And then you have Michelle Santner, who is an addition to the team now. I mean, what else can you ask for? So if you look at this team, to me, it is not just the balanced team, but to me, the biggest title contenders as far as the IPL is concerned. They will be greatly disappointed. We will be greatly disappointed, and everyone will be greatly disappointed if they don't lift the title this time. So that's my submission, Dadi. Over to you.
या एंड भास्कर, आप अर्जुन तेंदुलकर के बारे में कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे तो बोल सकते हैं.
See, Arjun plays for my home state, where I live right now, Goa. So I think I would like to see him play a couple of games. But for that, of course, only if at all, see the batting, they probably have the best batting. They almost have a batting which can win the World Cup, right? They almost have a top order, which is like Surya Kumar Yadav, Rohit Sharma, Tilak Verma. I think they have a world-class batting lineup, almost like an international squad. Unka at all, if at all there is a weakness, okay, fast bowling bhi, you have Bumrah and Bolt. We don't have to discuss too much about their strengths. One weakness they have is a world-class wrist spinner, which T20 internationals or T20 matches need. So, if at all you have a weakness in the Mumbai Indians team, it's a wrist spinner. The only wrist spinner they have probably is Karan Sharma, who was never a great bowler and is over the hill right now. And Mitchell Santner, who's an international bowler, again is a finger spinner. So they do not have a world-class wrist spinner. But for that, they have all the other bases covered. And they are, of course, surely the biggest title contenders. They should top the league for sure. Like number one, worst come to worst, number two.
तो
Of
अगर
course,
हम अपना चार
एक
अगर हम अपना चार पिक करें तो ग्रुप ए से बन जाता है सीएसके और केकेआर, और ग्रुप बी से बन जाता है एमआई और एसआरएच. अभी इन यही लग रहा है अब तो.
मेरे यही चार है.
यही चार है, एंड वही है. जीटी शायद, जीटी एंड पंजाब हैव आउटसाइड चांस. उनको किसी इन चार में से किसी के एक को अपसेट करना पड़ेगा. दैट्स द होल वन. ग्रेट. सो
Uh,
थैंक यू सो मच. हाँ.
I would put Punjab ahead. No, no. I would put Punjab ahead of KKR. But for that, it's the same.
Wow.
CSK, Punjab, Sunrisers Hyderabad, and Mumbai Indians. Those are my top four.
Okay, wonderful. So thank you so much, guys, and we'll release this video
Thank you,
soon.
Rajiv.
And
Thank
good
you,
night.
Rajiv.
Bye bye.
Good night. Bye bye.